Where do we go next?
Where do you go now?
Where do we go next? Over here? Is your little hiney up there? This way. Nice job. One more. Just T5.
Are you all done? Are you all done? Big girl.